Run long shot here. We're on a 2003 International CE. I'm down here captaining the bus, and thought I could give y'all a little tour of like the what the switches on this bus does. Which I'm not going to touch any of them. I'm not going to touch any of them, but I'm going to show you all of switches of what this bus has. Right here we have the heated mirrors for the windows. We have strobe light, the strobe light on the roof, and these are like the two heaters for like the seats. And this switch right here is like the boost pump to keep the bus warm. And then we have the driver heater, defrost fan, stepwell heater. We have let me come on, focus. Driver dome. Yeah, these are like the domes, like driver dome, the front dome, rear dome. And this one right here, honestly, I do not know what that one controls. Honestly, these two, I do not know what they control, but yeah, I don't know what they control, but probably something to do with something outside. Next up we have like the windshield washer, light switch, the panel switch, fan, power mirrors, door switch. Coming over here, we got the RPM. Got right there, like the hours, miles, like the miles on the bus, MPH, fuel, the voltage, and the oil, not oil, but the air, water, the water temperature, oil, trends. Yep. Over here we got the parking brake, push button, ignition switch, flasher lights, like the flasher lights, the master, like the master switch, the master. These two switches are probably like the cruise control, yeah. Up here's like the first aid kit. Yeah. Yep, 2003 International CE. Thought I could show you all what this bus switches. Thank you all for watching.